Hey you guys, welcome back to an all new video. So today we are going to be doing a shared nursery tour in my bedroom. So here over in the corner I have the baby diaper genie up against the wall here. Over here I have the Diaper Caddy. I love this a lot. It clamps right onto the bed. It serves so many purposes. I just put the diapers here in the middle. Over on the side I have some of Josiah's shoes. I have socks, onesies, pants, everything in the corner. He has a closet in his sister's room, but if he messes up his clothes in the middle of the night, I don't want to go in there and wake her up. So having those at the bottom is beneficial for me. I just have some baby face wipes over here, some regular wipes. I love that container. I have some Aquaphor and some coconut oil over the top and some gauze that I left from when I was doing his changing from being circumcised. I have books of top and some boogie wipes on the other side. Here I just have his little safari thing comforter that I purchased from Amazon. When I found out I was having a boy, I didn't know what to do and what direction to go, and I fell in love with the safari theme. So yeah, and I love this mobile. I know a lot of people feel like mobiles are so unnecessary to have, but Josiah loves looking at the animals go around. Like, he really enjoys it. So we love it. I got it. I'm glad I purchased it because I was going back and forth if I wanted it, and I'm really glad I did. So yeah, I love the leaf theme that they have, and the wall decal actually came with this comforter set with the bedding that I ordered, and it was super cute. Underneath the bed, I just store his changing pad underneath. So once I change him, I just take the little sheet off, because 9 times out of 10 he messes it up, and I just slide it right back under the bed. Over here in the corner, I just have my little table with the baby hatch, and you guys, this baby hatch is amazing. I downloaded the app on my phone, and I can just control it from my phone. You can change the setting of the night light on it to whatever color that you prefer to have it on. Also, it serves as like an ASMR sound. So it has raindrops, it has tree sounds, sounds of birds. So whatever one that you like and it helps put you to sleep, you can change it to it. Me and my husband, I think we love this more than anything. We was using it before he came. And there's a timer on it as well. So if you only want it on for 2 hours, or if you don't want it playing throughout the whole night, you can set the time and it will automatically turn off itself. So yeah, we like it a lot. So over there I have my little gold elephant. That was what came with my baby shower gift, and I didn't want to throw it away. I have my Lysol, sanitizer, my wipes. Over here in the back I have 2 devotional books, from Starting Your Day by Joyce Meyer and Ending Your Day at Night. And real big for me, I love to wake up in the morning and just command my day, and it was a better purpose just to have the devotion right next to you, and you can read it before coming out the room and being pulled on. So yeah, here I just have in my walk-in closet, my hallway walkway closet. It's just like Josiah's soaps, lotions, things that I would just stuff in his diaper bag. Those 2 empty bins over there, what I put his face towels in, his dry towels in. I'm in the middle of doing laundry and folding, so they're not in there at the moment. So in my daughter's room, he has the other side of her closet. I just have his different sizes of clothes up top. A lot of those clothes are 6 to 9, 9 to 12, 18 months, 24 months. And I just kind of tried my best to organize it over there, and I still have a long way to go. Over here, I'm just doing a little bit of purging the clothes that Josiah can no longer fit. I'm putting them in the bags. He cannot fit those diapers anymore, so I'm getting ready to give those away. So yeah, thank you guys for joining me on my walk-in tour, nursery tour, whatever you want to call it. You guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.